The Court of Appeal sitting in Abuja has reserved judgment in the separate applications brought before it regarding the Cross River Senatorial District by-election to a date that will be communicated to the parties. The court in Calabar, Cross River State, earlier declared Agom Jarigbe of the People's Democratic Party as the lawful candidate of PDP for the December 5, 2020 by-election and not Stephen Odey. Consequently, the court invalidated the certificate of return issued to Odey by the Independent National Electoral Commission and ordered the commission to issue same to Agom Jarigbe. Not satisfied with the court verdict, Odey, through his counsel, approached the appeal court in Abuja, asking for review as well as set aside the judgment made in favor of Jarigbe. His counsel, Mubarak Adekilekun, argued that Jarigbe did not participate in all the processes that led to the by-election as required by the law. But Agom Jarigbe's counsel, Emmanuel Ukala, cited Order 20, Rule 4 of the Procedural Rules of the Appeal Court to argue that the court cannot sit over an appeal in its own judgment. After listening to the parties, the five-man panel of the Appellate Court Justice, led by the President of the Court, Justice Monica Dongban-Mensem, reserved for a later date to deliver judgment.
The applications were brought on the grounds that this Honorable Court lacked jurisdiction to have granted the prayers at the election tribunal, specifically on the fact that the Constitution and the Electoral Act, Section 285 sub 13, and Section 141 of the Electoral Act provides that if a candidate has did not participate in all the stages of the elections, that he cannot be declared as a winner. There are some other grounds upon which the application was brought. So today we have argued the applications and the court has reserved its ruling for the parties.
Since the senatorial by-election was conducted, Odey and Jarigbe have been enmeshed in a serious legal battle to determine over who is the rightful winner of the poll. CNN News.